Here's how to remove your Apple Watch strap and put it back on in case you want to wash it, or you may even want to replace it. And the first thing to do is, to make it easy, just turn the strap inside out like that so you can get to the back of the watch. And then you'll notice there's two grooves, one at the top and bottom of the underside of your watch. And if you just get your thumb or fingernail into that groove and press it firmly, and then you should be able to slide your Apple Watch off like that. And if I go to the other side as well, and it slides off like that. And now to put the strap back on, it's a reversal of that process, but you need to make sure you got it the right way round, because you'll notice on the strap that on one side of the strap there's like a metallic notch, which is not on the other side. And you need to have this metallic notch lined up with the underside of the watch, because then it will give you a secure fit and it won't slide back off. And when you slide it back on, so what you need to do now, you need to slide it back on. You don't need to press anything, but you slide it back on, get it into the groove and slide it back on. And you will hear a very high pitched click actually, because this bit here clicks into place, so it won't slide off. Otherwise, if you did it the other way around, it would slide off. So I don't know if you heard that, it's a very high pitched click, and now that won't slide off. So it's important to get this the right way around when you put it back onto your watch. So if you do the other side now, and we just slide it in place. There you go. I don't know if you heard that click. And now it's really secure. I'm wiggling it around, it won't come off. And that's it. If you like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe for a lot more tech help guides and things to come. Thanks for watching.